Hello and welcome to another video of Learn with Vishram Basula, and today we are in blowdown system flare and shutdowns. Refinery process units and equipments are periodically shut down for maintenance and repair. Since these turnarounds generally occurs about once a year, losses from these sources are sporadic. Alright, so hydrocarbons purged during shutdowns and startups may be manifolded to blowdown system for recovery, safe venting or flaring. Vapor can be recovered in a gas holder or compressor or discharged to the refinery fuel gas system. Flares should be of the smokeless types, utilizing either steam or air injection. Design data for smokeless flares are readily available for combustion equipment manufacturer or in industry technical manuals. For aesthetic purposes, ground flares are becoming more popular. Similarly, boilers and process heater. Refineries depends on the boilers and heater to supply high pressure steam at elevated temperature. Fuels may include refinery or natural gases, heavy fuel oils and coke, and often in various changes combinations. Sulfur dioxide in the fuel gas are of course a result of sulfur in the fuel feed. Nitrogen oxide and small quantities of hydrocarbons, organic acid and particulate matter are also present. Sulfide stripping of fuel gas prior to burning and selective blending of fuels may be employed to control sulfur emissions. Normally, good combustion practices will control smoke and particulate matters. Stacks and boilers and heaters are elevated to improve atmospheric dispersion and further dismiss resulting ground level Stacks and boilers and heater are elevated to improve atmospheric dispersion and further resulting ground level oh my god, what is happening? Concentration of gases such as sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides. Now we are in sulfur recovery units. So how sulfur recovery units affect our emission, right? What are we talking about right now? We are talking about the process control of atmospheric emission, refinery source of atmospheric emission. So what are the source of refineries emission? So the potential of H2S, hydrogen sulfide gas, loss to the atmospheric occurs at 2 points in the Claus process. The interface between the H2S recovery process and the feed to the unit. The tail gas from the plant, if the Claus plant breaks down and cannot take the feed, H2S has to be flared. Some refineries utilize spare Claus capacity so that flaring is minimized. The presence of H2S in the trial gas indicates that the conversion of H2S to sulfur is not complete. This tail gas is either incinerated at 538 to 649 degrees Celsius temperature, thus releasing all sulfur compounds as sulfur oxide, and further treated in a tail gas recovery system. The tail gas treating system generally converts all the sulfur compounds to sulfur dioxide, hydrogen disulfide, H2S. After which the stream is scrubbed to remove the H2S. Incinerators. There are number of incinerators process available for incineration of refineries, sludges, solid and spent caustics. Fluid bed incinerators can be installed in refineries. These fluid bed incinerators operate at temperature of 704 degrees Celsius. As the sludge is burned, the solid from the sludge remain in the bed, while gaseous products of combustion, water vapor and fine particulate matter pass overhead through a cyclone separator and a water scrubber before venting to the atmosphere. So this is it for today, and we'll learn tomorrow miscellaneous and then order control method of refinery purpose. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe.